Locoman Sound's new LNER A4 digital sound file is reviewed in full in the May 2018 issue of Hornby magazine. Supplied on ESU's Locksound digital sound platform, our review sample featured an extensive selection of sounds and driving possibilities, including expert driving techniques too. Listen to the outcome as we put the project to the test, fitted within a suitable 00 gauge A4 plus a Zemo 3D printed speaker enclosure on Hornby magazine's 00 gauge office test layout, Topley Down. Read the full review on Locoman Sound's new A4 digital sound file in the May 2018 issue of Hornby magazine.